Hello, my name is Sarah Nanas, and I will be continuing on in this next portion of our presentation, looking at Target Financial's current and projected. So initially looking at Target sales digitally versus in-store, we are seeing that this evidence is showing us that since 2019, 95% of Target's sales has come from its in-store purchases. And this is according to Financial Highlights, the 2021 annual report for Target. So we are seeing here as the years go on that the in-store sales continue to beat out the digital sales quite significantly. So this is going to help our push for the Target Courtyard in-person on-campus shops. Next, we are going to be looking at the Target financials for 2021. Total sales were at 104 million, and it's showing us here that 26% are beauty and household essentials, food and beverage at 20%, home furnishings and decor sitting right at 19%, and then hard lines at 18%, and apparel and accessories at 17%. While most of these options are starting to be available online for online shopping, most of these things people are going inside the store for. So this shows us again for the demand for in-person shopping, which will ultimately help the college students, those near the college campuses, things like that, get their everyday essentials from our Target Courtyard store. So we also see here the CAGR, the compound annual growth rate. So it's showing us here in 2021, the growth was at 13.3%. And the 5-year CAGR, they're looking at an average of 8.6%. The operating income, the growth from 2021 is 36.8%. And again, the 5-year CAGR is at 13%. And then looking at net earnings in millions, 2021 growth 59%, which is huge. And the 5-year CAGR percent 21.1. And lastly, the diluted EPS, 2021 growth 63.1%, and the 5 years sitting at 25.2%. So we're seeing that, again, Target's financials continue to increase over the years. So again, just pointing out the demographic of college students with the essentials they need, this works in our favor. Again, showing that 46% of total sales being food and beverage and beauty and household necessities. So with their current income statement and balance sheet, again, it's showing the sales revenue as increasing to 106 billion in 2022. So that's our current year. This is looking currently, and we know that the fiscal year is not over yet. But again, our numbers are continuing to increase. And also our book value per share, 27.22 currently. So the historical data from 2021 shows us that even through the pandemic, so the pandemic would be 2022 would be the third year of the having Target be in the fiscal pandemic, Target consistently grew by tens of $1 billion. So from 2020's record top growth, the sale increased 12.7 in 2021. Target's growth digitally also moved fast within the industry due to its unique ability to satisfy 95% of all sales, physical and digital, from all the stores. These numbers show us that essentially all the growth was due to traffic gains, which means that more and more guests are turning to Target for their needs. Target sees this growth as not the end, but the beginning of continued growth for more and more stores. Target has projected that they will be remodeling and rebuilding approximately 200 more stores per year, and they haven't nearly touched half of those stores yet, of the 2,000 stores nationwide. So there's still work to do, and they still feel that this is going to be a successful rebuild and a successful project due to the need and the demand of Target stores. So showing the projected financials for 2023, there has been proven increase from last fiscal year. So looking forward to justify the Target Courtyard stores, we are consistent. So again, our expected increase is due to the current increase happening in 2022. So with our expected sales increase, we are looking at approximately 30%, our total assets increasing at approximately 5%, the liability and shareholder equities approximately 1%, and our EBITDA, earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, approximately at 25.38%. The current book value per share as of today is 147, and the average forecast for August 2023 is sitting at approximately 196, which is an increase of 32%. Due to the steady and exponential growth that Target continues to experience, Target Courtyard is a financially sound idea and project to implement, and will prove to be successful to stay consistent with the business of Target's mission and vision. Again, our store will be consistent with also offering the ship to store options where customers can come and pick up their items right from the store, or same day delivery, same day pickup. As each store is starting to implement this, Target Courtyard will also be implementing these options as well, and will just continue to increase in sales and supply and demand. Thank you very much.